Welcome to Easy Cut List Pro. Base cabinets. Drop-down menu. Calculate sizes. ×2. Wall cabinets. Select 720 high. Drop down. Get sizes. ×2. ×4. 1 back. Click drop down. Get sizes. ×2. ×5. 1 back. Drop down. 1080 cabinets. Get sizes. ×2. ×4. On back. On back. Wardrobes. Drop down. Get sizes. ×2. 1 back. Drawers. Drop down. Get sizes. ×2. Corner units. Drop down. Get sizes. ×4. Corner units. Drop down. Get sizes. ×2. Exit. easycutlist.co.za 277659466191 8245 to 9915